Hi friends, welcome to Decisa's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make green curry with prawns and ladyfinger. So let's start. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Here I have 5 green chilies. You can add more or less according to the spiciness you prefer. 1 tablespoon coriander seeds. 3 cloves of garlic. Small ball of tamarind. Half teaspoon jeera, cumin seeds. Half teaspoon haldi powder, turmeric powder. Half medium size grated coconut. Handful of fresh coriander. Here I have 1 medium size onion chopped. 1 medium size tomato chopped. 4 petals of kokum. 8 lady fingers which I have cut into small pieces. Small piece of ginger cut into strips. 4 green chilies slit. Here I have fresh prawns which I have cleaned, washed and applied salt. Add salt as per your taste, water as required and 3 tablespoons of oil. Now in a mixer grinder, we'll add all these spices. Coriander, green chilies, tamarind, garlic, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, haldi powder, grated coconut. Add water as required and we'll grind this. A grounded curry masala is ready. Here in a pan I have oil which is hot. Now we'll add the chopped onion and the chopped tomato. We'll saute it till it turns translucent. Onion and tomato is done. Now we'll add the ginger. We'll add the masala. Add water as required. Now we'll add the ladyfinger, kokum, slit green chilies, prawns, add salt as per your taste, mix, and we will cook this on a medium flame for 15 to 20 minutes. Our curry is done. Now let's plate it up. Our green curry with prawns and ladyfinger is ready. If you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.